Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start inside Settings. This is the only reliable path on Samsung. First, unlock the phone and open Settings right away. If you prefer, tap the search icon and type Dark Mode to jump faster. Once you see Display in the menu, make sure you're looking at the core display page rather than an app-specific theme. This initial step locates the controls you need and prevents toggling conflicting app themes later in the flow. Now you're on Display. Tap it and look for Dark Mode or Dark Theme. Flip the Dark Mode switch to On and watch the system UI transition. It applies to quick settings, supported apps, and system menus. Once done, check Quick Settings to confirm the tile reflects Dark Mode. If you prefer automation, tap Dark Mode settings to schedule by time or sunset to sunrise. This keeps consistent behavior without manual switching and can reduce eye strain and battery. Finish by scanning common screens, home, notifications, and core apps to ensure dark mode applied everywhere. You may need to open individual apps and set their theme to follow system if they don't update automatically. If dark mode doesn't stick, restart the phone. That clears theme cache and enforces the system setting. If problems persist, update One UI and apps via Galaxy Store or Google Play, then retry. That resolves most incompatibilities and ensures the single correct path to dark mode works.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.